You know what Reliv's cutting-edge products do for your health, but how do you make money with your Reliv business? Reliv pays you through 5 different avenues of income. Like any business, you make money when you sell Reliv products to consumers. Every time someone in your network drinks a Reliv shake, you get paid, earning up to 40% profit. So when your customer spends $100, you can pocket $40. That's your first avenue of Reliv income, retail profit. As you tell other people about Reliv, many will want to join you in business too.
Woohoo! All right!
When you help them build their businesses and increase their profit level, you'll earn wholesale profit, your second level of Reliv income. Next is where the earning potential of your Reliv business really takes off. It starts with you becoming a master affiliate, or MA, the highest profit level in Reliv. As you help others launch their businesses as MAs, Reliv pays you a percentage. Those earnings are called overrides, your third and most lucrative avenue of Reliv income. As your MAs add their own MAs and your network expands, you earn overrides on all that business too. Every time someone in your network drinks a Reliv shake, you get paid. Here's the best part. Since people who use Reliv products order them month after month, the distribution network you build now can literally pay you for life. That's called residual income, and earnings accelerate as your network grows. As you achieve success, Reliv rewards you along the way. You can earn dream trips to some of the world's most popular destinations and big cash bonuses, with new incentives made available all the time. That's your fourth avenue of Reliv income, bonuses and trips. When you reach a certain level of success, we invite you to help us bring better health and financial freedom to the world and help create the leaders of tomorrow. That's your fifth avenue of Reliv income, the Ambassador Program. As a Reliv ambassador, you get paid to help others. With Reliv's 5 avenues of income, your success story is yours to write. Owning a Reliv business is better than a job. It's a lifestyle of limitless possibilities. So don't just live, relive.